Welcome back to a brand new fire video. Currently on our way to get a fresh ride for the crew. I finally invested in a dirt bike, maybe. I had to take a loan out from Big Matt, but we're going. Just finished making sausage, and yeah, it's a 2013 Suzuki 250. So I shouldn't kill myself. As some of you may know, I did flip Trent's 350 the first year he had it. But I'm losing the quad life and going dirt bike guy because you cannot look cool on a dirt bike. So we'll get back to you guys when we get there. So, I copped it. He gave me some extra parts with it and stuff, just some simple stuff. Took it for a ride, couldn't start it because I'm weak. I kicked it like 40 times. Tyler kicked it once and started. So I looked kind of dumb, but I didn't kill it the first time, so I'm proud of myself for that. But it's in the pickup right in front of us now, and we're heading back to the shop. Maybe get a clip of me riding it there. We'll see, but I think I got a pretty good deal on it. So yeah. Oops. Okay, so it's the next day, but I'm gonna quick explain what's about to happen in the next clip. So I'm gonna ride my dirt bike down the driveway, show everyone that I just bought it. But Teigan is getting a dirt bike for his birthday, so we are going to have Trent ride it down to the shop once I get down there. And you'll see Teigan's a little surprised. He actually thinks it's one of our buddies' new dirt bikes that he just bought. So yeah, roll the clip.
Happy birthday, Teigan! Better take it for a rip.
How do you feel, Teigan?
I don't even know. I'm like shaking.
Everyone's known about Teigan getting a dirt bike.
I had no clue. My dad would talk about it like, what do you want, 250, 450? I was like, I don't know.
Well, now you got one.
Oh my god, dude. What the hell?
I bought one, so we figured it was the perfect time to give Teigan his for his birthday.
Oh my god. Trent rolled down and said happy birthday. I was like,
Yeah, I know. I thought you were gonna cry.
I was like, I don't even know what to do. Because my mom was videoing. I was like, what are you doing? I was like, then I heard the dirt bike. I was like, both dirt bikes are down here and Carter's is right there. You're shaking so bad right now. Oh my god, dude.
Swag. Everyone has rode the bikes now, except Drew because he's a pansy. But besides that, KTM rips, Suzuki rips. Obviously, Teigan's is a little nicer. It's like brand new, it seems like. He's flexing. But here comes Tyler in a wheelie. Whoa! Whoa! Well, expect more fire videos and probably some fails because you know I got them coming. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Yeah, he tipped it at the end of the driveway.
No, he's never gonna ride a dirt bike again.
I'm sorry, girl. I'm sorry.
Poor kid.
Well, he ripped. Gravel's a little sticky. Oh, that's not neutral.
Oh, yeah.
I'm too sexy for my shirt, too sexy for my shirt, so sexy it hurts.